Hi, Sophia. So if I'm looking at this problem right here, 937, it says the area of the base of the prism at the right is 96.33 square inches. So if we look at this, that information right there is super important. Okay, and I will show you why. So if we look at this, right here it says the area of the base. So we already know that our area of that pentagon on the bottom is already 96.33 square inches. So we know that the bottom of this pentagon right here and its matching top, because it's a prism, and they're going to have matching bases, right, on the top and the bottom. Those are both 96.33 square inches. So in this one, you didn't have to find the area of a pentagon. And you are right, we did not find the area of a pentagon yet. But they want you to find the surface area of that whole piece. But we already know that the base and the top are 96.33 square inches, okay? So then you can find that volume piece also, because we've already got the base, we've already got the area, and now all we need is the height, right? So if I was going to do this, let me get this out so that I can type and show you. So if I was going to do this, what I would do to find the surface area of the prism is I'm going to take that 96.33 and I need to multiply that by 2 because there's a top to the prism and there's a bottom. And you'll come up with an answer for your two bases and what the surface area is for those. But then we've also got these side pieces, right? And we know they say regular pentagon because on a regular pentagon, each one of these sides is congruent. So they're the same length, right? So we know that each of these side rectangles are 10.3 inches by 25.2 inches. So we need to find the area of those rectangles. So we have 10.3, which we're going to need to multiply that by the height, which is 25.2. And that will give us the area of one of these, because then we have to take this number and multiply that by how many of those rectangles there are. And because we know this is a pentagon, there are going to be, yep, you said it right, 5 sides. Okay. Then that's going to equal a number. What are we going to do with, we have to take this number now, and we also have to take this number and do something with that. Add them up to find the surface area. Okay, so then volume. Volume, we know the base, because base, which is length and width, we already know what the base is, times the height. Okay, so if we were looking at that, that would be our, we know our base is 96.33, whoops, not 996, 96.33 inches squared. And then we're going to multiply that by the height of that, which is 25.2 inches. Okay, and then that will give us, I forgot my equal sign, that will give us our volume, right? So then in C, they want to know if another prism has the same volume as this prism, but its base is 30, what is the height? So basically, what you're doing is trying to figure out if our base is 30 on this other one, you need to figure out what we're going to multiply that by to get the same answer as this volume right here. If this didn't make sense, please email me back or Schoology message me, and I can help you further.